on a stick and I have to transfer this back to the hotel. So I took it off the stick and put it in with the chicken dumplings. So I have fried chicken with a sweet chili sauce and chicken dumplings. They have a sauce in there somewhere. You'll see it in a bit. And I got strawberry coconut bubble tea, and I've been sipping it and it kind of has collapsed in itself, but it's not bad at all. So I will add the little price and everything with this and give them a review when we get back to the hotel. Okay, so we're back at the hotel. A little notebook to do all the little details. The strawberry coconut bubble tea with boba. You can see I kind of liked it, yes. And this is how melted the dough rip got to. The lady there said it was the same exact recipe. You'll see more on another video for that. And now I did a piece when I was sitting on the little bench right outside on the boardwalk. And here, hold on. Let me switch this. We have a hockey game in the background that we're going to turn off sooner or later, but not right now. So it is fried chicken with a sweet chili, like Thai sauce, and originally came on a stick. You can get them in a 5 or a 10, or you can get more. And I should show you how it looks in the inside. Really good. You can also get this kind of a soy sauce on top. And I thought if I was getting it for Mom, I would get the soy one because that's probably a little bit less spicy. And there was a spicier one than this. And the sweet chili I like. It's not too spicy, not too, mild, you'd say. So for this place, if you're in Ocean City, this place is a yes. Now, just to show you the other thing I got chicken pot stickers. They had beef, they had vegetable, they had pork, they had this chicken, and I didn't know which one to choose. They also had a vegetable and I think a tofu. So he said he likes chicken the best, and I like chicken, as you can tell. I got fried chicken, I got chicken pot stickers. Now this little sauce that came with the pot stickers does look like it's sweet chili sauce too. So let me just put my finger in there just to see. Yes, it is. Like I said, I like sweet chili sauce. This is good with or without the sauce. I had a thing when I got to go to England, and we went to this McDonald's, and they had the sweet chili chicken like wrap thing. It was absolutely great. So I'm visiting my friend in Germany. Her husband was stationed in Stuttgart, and she goes, "What's one of the places you want to go to?" I said, "McDonald's." She goes, "What?" I said, "I want to check out a German McDonald's." And the German McDonald's was all in German. She didn't know German, so it was kind of a bust, but it was still fun. And if I had my camera set up the way I do now, I would have taken a picture of everything because it was a cool place. Then I went to Quebec. So, you betcha, I went to McDonald's there. And just because I had to. Every different country, it's a thing. I have to see what their McDonald's is like if I can. So, that is another reason why I had to try this Crunchik'n, I think it's called. But it is definitely worth it. I'd say get it. They also have hot dogs that are crunch dogs. They coat them in stuff, and you'll see pictures of that on this video. I didn't get that because I like chicken better than hot dogs. Let's be real. But it would definitely be a spot to go again and try other food. That's how good it was. This Lady Jamer saying like, subscribe, tell your friends about Lady Jamer's channel, and remember to hit those notification buttons to be reminded of each and every video. Have a great night, great day, and we will see you later. Bye-bye.